is looking into perhaps using their own bank or the bank where they have an existing relationship for floor plan financing, one of the key concerns and really, really important things to think about and really note on the financing agreement is collateralization, specifically cross-collateralization. And what that means is, remember, we talked about security and about how a floor plan agreement will be secured by the vehicle, but may also be secured by the other vehicles on the lot. Well, in the cross-collateralization world, and that is, I know, a heavy word, it's a complicated word in and of itself, but really what it means is that one agreement can be secured by another agreement, and that a default of one can be a default of all. Okay, let me give an example, because that may not even make any sense, frankly. But let's say a dealer has a home mortgage, a business loan, and a floor plan financing arrangement with Truist Bank as an example, just an example. If the dealer defaults on the floor plan financing, then Truist Bank, if the agreement is that they're cross-collateralized, that means all the loans are basically pooled into one, then Truist could announce a default or notify the dealer of a default on all the accounts. So let's say the dealer is paying their home mortgage faithfully and on time, every home loan payment, and they're paying the business loan on time, every business loan. Let's say it's for employment or just some money in the bank for the business, and they're paying that loan. But then the floor plan financing hits them and the dealer doesn't pay the floor plan financing on time and goes into default. Well, that bank may have the ability, based on the contracts and based on the cross-collateralization and the terms of those agreements, the bank may actually be able to call all of the loans due, including the mortgage that's being paid on time and the business loan that's being paid on time. Again, that would be contained in the language of the contracts. It's not something that is just implied. It's not something that comes along with having multiple agreements. It will be in writing if it exists, but it is definitely something to be aware of as a dealer is considering using an already existing relationship as a floor plan financing source.